10, 5 present hiding places. Number 10, behind at 9. No, a cat 50. A cat come back 50. Cat. Number 9, the Bermuda Triangle. Number 8, the Sheffield Hexagon. Number 7, in a time machine. This one's already gone. Number 6, disguised as a bird. Number 5, on the 3rd moon of Jupiter. Behind a 9, no cat 50. Cat. Number 4, in a volcano filled with... Number 3 has been cancelled. Dive 8, number 2, buried in the garden. Because there are no secrets in the garden, they will find out. They're always find out. Oh no, it's the present from the past. Present paradox 1. Paradox! And number 1, in the great labyrinth of King Minos. Behind at 9. No, Minotaur, you have this tasty. Minotaur, no, Minotaur, bad Minotaur.